Hi, this is Kevin with KGMG. I'm owner of ProAdvertisersClub. Totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com, join for free today, and start advertising for free. Okay, this is a new account I opened as of today. It is a free account that I have purchased the $10 spell book and received 3,000 credits. And I am not going to dollar cost average into this. It's going to be only the asset building will be from only winnings in the reward chest and buying and selling on the market from those winnings. So it's going to be a much slower process, but it's starting from day one. I'm going to record it all. You're going to be able to go back and see exactly what I did right, what I did wrong, but it's also going to prove that it can be done. And my strategy does not have to be your strategy. It's just the way I'm going to do it. So, welcome comments, but this is also going to complement another video that I make in the mornings. That is an account that I put in $10 every other day out of pocket. So two different worlds, one dollar cost averaging, the other one's going to be just living off the winnings. Now on both accounts, even though it's a free account, if you want to get free rewards and chests and stuff like that, you have to purchase the $10 spellbook. And the link's below. You can join anytime. You can join it for free and play for free. But in order to go any further, you have to purchase the spellbook. It's a one-time, lifetime membership fee. And that's per account, not just for, you can't do it and then open up multiple accounts. You have to get a spellbook for each account. You're allowed to have multiple accounts. That is not a problem at all. They even allowed bots, even though the bots have kind of disappeared because of the new system that they've implemented. So this is my second account. I'm going to show you, and I don't have much numbers yet because I just started, but you might be curious and interested in the way that I started it. All right. So the first thing I did was I bought the spell book, got the 3,000 credits, and as you can see here, I got 2,286 credits left because I spent 800 credits on rentals. Now, I could have used that 3,000 to buy cards, but I would not recommend that because you own nothing and you can't get much for that 3,000 credits that's going to be worthwhile, especially in the beginning. So I would be pure renting in the beginning. And I spent more than usual because my strategy is going to be all gold when possible. And it's the end of the season because it's actually the end of the season tomorrow. So I got 1 day in on this account. So nice chunk of credits came out the first day. And you're like, well, Kevin, what the hell? You're going to run out of credits and then it's really going to slow down. Well, I'm banking on that before I run out of those 3 credits, I get enough DECs in my chest to fund my perpetual motion forward on this account. We'll see. We're going to find out. We'll know within 5 or 6 days because now with the season being over tomorrow, the rental prices will drop. So this 3,000 might last me a good half a season if I got nothing in any of the chests, but I'm going to be getting what? DECs. And this is not an account where I'm going to stay in bronze. I'm going to blow through bronze. I'm going to blow through silver. I'm going to blow through gold. And I'm going to try to get up in the diamond and up as high as I can go. It might take me a few seasons. We'll see. But remember, because I'm renting, I can do it pretty quick. Okay. So a lot of people are saying they want to stay down in bronze. They make more chests. They win better. That's a matter of opinion. I really don't see the data on the YouTubers that I'm watching. I see that they are, winning more chests and winning more often, but the quality of the chests aren't going to be what they are in higher up. You're going to get more packs higher up. You're going to get more gold cards higher up. You're going to get more. You got a better chance anyway. And even though every now and then you get a video of a guy got a nice card in bronze, it's not that either one's wrong. It's just a matter of which one you choose to do. That's pretty much it. I want the better percentages. I want to go higher. That's what I'm going to do. But I got to go through bronze first. And I've done that already, and I'll show you the results. And then one more thing. Oh, I've been saying I would be happy if they made it that once you left bronze, you could never go back, because I believe that should be the new players' realm, where they can beat up on each other with their few cards that they have, instead of people with a lot of stuff dumping down into it. That's my opinion. I think it'd be better for the platform, better for new people, which is who we need to take care of as they come in. But again, it's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and start off. I've got no free SPS, because why? I don't have any collection power. I pretty much got zeros all across the board. Let's go look at my cards. Now, I get the free cards that they give me, and here they all are, blah, blah, blah. But you can't win anything with those cards anymore. And you never could until you bought the spell book. But now, even after you buy the spell book, you cannot win anything with these cards. In fact, I think it's a 15% deduction from all winnings if you use one. Okay? So, let's go to my rented. Well, first, let's go to owned. I own not a single card yet. I opened this up this afternoon. But let's go rent it to me. Not a single regular foil card, but let's go to gold. Kapow. Look at what I've rented. I got all this for 800 credits, which is pretty impressive, especially for being the end of the season. But here's my summoner. Now remember, I'm starting off in novice before bronze. So the most level that I can bring in is first level. So I don't need to get high level cards. Those get very expensive. So I just got the second level, which I think that's the smallest or the lowest you can get anyway. And then I did the same thing with my cards, and they were rather cheap. A couple of them were 200 DEC a piece, like this one, and this one. But the rest of them I could get for under 50 DEC a piece, which is incredible. Why gold? Why am I going after gold? Because each gold card gives you a 10% bonus. And if it's an alpha or promo, it's another 10%. And if it's 5%, I think, Bravo, it just adds up. Now, my capture rate is down to 73. So I played it down to 75 is what my goal was. And I want to stay between 75 and 100. And I'm also doing that on my other account. In fact, I didn't rent any cards on my Splinterlands to 10,000 account, because tomorrow I've got so many chests anyway, and it's giving my time, and I'm not doing any battles. It's giving time for my capture rate to get back up, and it's already up to almost 60%. And by tomorrow, when I play again, I probably won't play tomorrow evening. It might be up to 70 or 80. And then I'm going to try to keep that above 75. Again, that's my strategy. Everybody's trying different stuff. That's what I want to do. Why do I want this as high as possible? Because I am now getting 73% plus another max of 70% if I play all 7 cards. Remember, this one is every single game. That's 10% automatic. So you add that to the capture rate here, which is 73. So now I'm at 104, let's say 150%, just to keep it simple. And if I got, I think I got 1 Bravo is all I got in there. So another 5. And then your win streak. So I can get close to 200%. So I'm going to win more. I'm going to go higher, and I'm going to get better chest. That's as simple as I can make it. Okay. So there's my summoner. There's my tank. There's my cheaper tank, because sometimes you can't fit this guy in. And then I try to get one of every mana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 6. And I didn't bother with 7. I didn't think I needed a 7. The reason is so that I've always got a gold card available for every mana. And I think they're the best and the cheapest that I could get for the gold. Okay. So that's the thinking behind this. Now, so yeah, that's that. So now the only other thing I have for you as of right now, because this is the first video, is this. Let's see what I got still showing. See, tomorrow I'm going to have the Oh, no. I know what I was going to show you because I did some battles. So let's go to the battle page. And I've got 31 chests for tomorrow and 15 for the focus. But that won't end till after. The season is going to end before this because this is going to be my evening game. And then Splinterlands 10,000 will be my morning game. And when possible. I know with scheduling and like I'm taking some time off now because I got family in town, but I'll be working more, so I might miss a day here and there. But this is what I got done tonight. I stopped with the capture rate, like I said, at 75. I wanted to, but I went down to 73. I might play a little bit in the morning if it's above 75, which it will be, and knock it back down to 75. But so as of right now, I'm going to get 31 season-ending chest, and then in the afternoon I'll get 15, and then I'll rent new cards, et cetera, et cetera. So that will be my first cards. Hopefully I'll win a lot of DC to help pay for the rents. Don't forget, I still got the credits to use up, but I'm not allowed to put money into this game. I'm not putting another dime into it at all. Okay. So it's going to be interesting. On hopefully I get some good cards, and with those cards, I'm solely renting. My whole strategy is renting, but so these cards aren't going to be investments like the other site I have, which are a lot of them are investments, a lot of them I rent out, et cetera, et cetera. This one is strictly to build this asset collection. So I will sell these cards, I will build them up to the cards to make cards that way I can save money in renting, and of course naturally as an investment that will happen as you go along. So one more thing, and I think that's all really I can show you, because tomorrow's the season that will be first. So here's the Splinterlands free. I'm going to do it just like I do Splinterlands 10,000. Okay, today was day one. I've got 0 packs. Now the reason I want to shoot up higher. Oh, and I forgot to show you. I am in silver 3. I did not lose a game until bronze 1. And then I think I only lost 2 in that whole thing. So then I pushed up into silver 3. I'll soon be, by tomorrow, I'll be in the silver 2. I'm going to go up because, so this means that next season, all my chests will be silver. And then the season after that will be hopefully gold or diamond. Okay. So you're like, well, yeah, you had all them good cards. Well, what I just did, and I want you to understand this. What I just showed you and did, anybody can do. Anybody can purchase a spell book, get 3,000 credits, and rent those exact same cards or get their own cards, whatever it is. But in order for that to work, you need to get the gold cards to get that extra. Now, I could have saved a lot of money and still won, because gold doesn't help you win. It helps you get more. Okay. But whether it's gold or regular foil, I'm still going to win that battle if I was meant to win it. The gold just helps you get the bonuses. Am I making sense on that? I hope I am. So I could have gone regular foil and gotten, maybe only used 200 credits, maybe not even 100. You know what I'm saying? So that's another strategy. And you know what? Maybe if I start running out of money, I'm going to have to do that in order to keep this going. But I don't think that's going to happen. Not especially the way the chests are paying out. But we'll see. We'll see. So I haven't got any packs yet, but as you push higher, you can get packs. And so today I spent the $10 spell book. I got the 3,000 credits and 0 value, 0 cards, Even I got cards, but I rented those. I don't own them. I have no collection power, and I have no free SPS yet. That will change starting the day after tomorrow, because tomorrow will be the first day I have them. And so I'm starting off with a negative $7 profit because I put in $10 and I got back $3 in credits. So I just off the bat, I've started off at -7. Depending on what I pull tomorrow, this could be, I could be in the green. It just depends. I hope so. It'd be pretty bad not to get at least $7 worth, but it's possible. You never know. So that's all I got. So it's still the same channel. I'll have the one in the morning called Splinterlands at 10,000, and I pretty much do there what I do on this one, and this one's going to be called Splinterlands Free, and that way you can, if some people got pockets and a budget, they can go that route, or they can watch this one and figure out that, hey, if he's doing it, I can do it. I guess that's what it comes down to the bottom of. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Join the links, any of the links below. It really helps out. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.